everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, tokens from which you can get a lot of benefit. So today I'm going to share a project with you all and they're having their pre-sale. The pre-sale will be starting on 27th September 17 UTC. This is a countdown to their pre-sale. You have 21 hours left. So in 21 hours they will be having their pre-sale. You can grab their pre-sale. So let's get to their website to know more about the project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. Alright, so this is our website for today. It's Flocky Lotto. Flocky Lotto token, world's best lottery token. Flocky Lotto is a meme lottery token on the Binance Smart Chain. Every 60 minutes, one of our lucky holders is rewarded reflections based on all transactions that happened within the previous 60 minutes. So this is lottery token on Binance Smart Chain, and the reflection is rewarded every 60 minutes based on the previous transaction that will be held in last 60 minutes. And Flocky Lotto holders will also be able to participate in our weekly lotteries. We'll also be introducing farming and staking dApp. So be sure to hold a coin for long term to benefit from the rewards that will be given. So you can buy from PancakeSwap, but isn't for now they're having their pre-sale on Pink Sale platform. So you'll be able to grab their pre-sale. They have starting their pre-sale on 27 September 17 UTC. They have reminded you to set slippage on 11 to 12%. Then we have their Telegram and Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter. You can join their Telegram community to stay updated about their pre-sale and their launching, and to know more about the project, to get in touch with their team and investors. We have their Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter. So the last tweet we can see is that Flocky Lotto public pre-sale will be held on 27 September 17 UTC on the Pink Sale platform. We have the pre-sale price mentioned here. Minimum purchase is 0.1 BNB and maximum you can purchase from their pre-sale is 2 BNB. Soft cap 15 BNB and hard cap 100 BNB. So you can follow them on Twitter, plus you can join their Telegram community. So you will be part of their members, to part of their team. And we have the link to their contract. You have the link to view their chart, and you can check their holders and lock tokens. Then we have a short introductional video. Let's check it out. Alright, so this was the introduction video for Flocky Lottery token. And now we have the tokenomics. One lucky holder is rewarded every 60 minutes. 4% of each transaction added to liquidity and 6% of each transaction is redistributed to lottery wallet and 2% of each transaction goes to marketing wallet. What is the requirement to get your reward is a minimum of 100,000 Flocky tokens. That is all. You have to hold the tokens and you will be eligible to get the lottery. All right, so we have their roadmap to know what they have achieved and what they're planning to achieve in future. So the first phase is birth, pressing to spread marketing awareness, website launching, 3,000 Telegram members, and initial marketing. And then the second phase is puppy stage, influencer marketing push, listing on CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap, 6,000 Telegram members, 5,000 holders target, and third party audit. Then phase 3 is learning new tricks. 20,000 holders target, 10,000 Telegram members, huge marketing pressure, listing on major exchanges, Farming and staking dApps. Then in phase 4, the phase is run Flocky Run, 50,000 holders, increase marketing, Flocky Lotto NFT line, website redesign, expansion of token on other blockchains. Then Jump Flocky Jump, 100,000 holders target, 20,000 Telegram members, 100,000 charity giveaway, and the Flocky Lotto wallet. And the last phase, phase 6, is 500 million market cap, 100K holders, 50,000 Telegram members, and meetup gathering party. So this is the roadmap. You can check it out from their website. So you will have a better vision what they have planned for their investors and for their community. Then we have link to their social channels, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram. You can check them on YouTube. You can follow them on Twitter, join their Telegram community. So you will be updated about the upcoming things of their project, and also you will be able to know more about the project, to know more about their team. So you must have to join their social channels. Then the friends of Flocky Lotto, the partners, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, BSC Scan. So you have everything mentioned on their website. All right, so this was our website for today, Flocky Lotto token. All you have to do is to hold Flocky Lotto and you will be rewarded every 60 minutes on the base of the last 60-minute transaction. The minimum amount you have to hold is 100,000 Flocky tokens, and for which you will be able to claim for the lottery. They're having their pre-sale on 27 September 17 UTC. So if you want to grab their pre-sale, you will get all the details on their website. You can buy their pre-sale tokens from Pink Sale platform, and then as soon as they will be listed on other exchanges, as we have checked their roadmap, so they will be listing in other exchanges as well, and they will be launching their own dApps in future, and farming and staking dApps. So it's gonna be a huge platform if you invest in it now, and if you hold the tokens now, so you will be getting a lot of benefit in coming days. So I suggest you to buy for it. Plus you can do your own research. I'll provide the link in my description. You can check it out, the project by yourself. You can do your complete research, and then you can invest in it if you're satisfied. I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.